What's up you guys, my name is littlehooliagan and today I will be unboxing the Discord keyboard. Alright, so while I'm unboxing, let me just give a little context. I've gotten into the world of mechanical keyboards lately. I know the hobby is very expensive, but I find it really interesting to build your own keyboard. And obviously today is just an unboxing video, but eventually I do plan to build my own custom keyboard. But for now, I shall unbox this Discord keyboard. If you don't know already, Discord came out with their own keyboards. There were two different types that you could get, which were the light mode and the dark mode keyboards. I bought mine back in December when they were having a pre-sale, and it finally came in just like a few days ago. But I believe that they're doing a second round for selling these keyboards, so if you want to check it out at all, I'll leave the link down below. I'm not sponsored, by the way. I wish I was, but I'm not. But I just think this was really cool. Alright, so let's talk about what it comes with. To start off, it comes with a really nicely made case. I chose dark mode for my keyboard, so the case matches that theme. And then within the case, it has the keyboard that's already strapped in, and then it has this really nicely made mesh kind of compartment that can hold anything that you want. Within that, it comes with the USB-C to USB cable, which is really nice because you can have the option of wiring your keyboard or just using the Bluetooth. And then there's a really easy to read quick start guide, a keycap puller, and finally the really cute novelty keys, which I know is kind of dumb, but I was really excited for these keycaps because I can make my keyboard a lot more personal by using these novelty keycaps to place it on certain keycaps that match the keybinds that I have assigned on Discord. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for, the keyboard itself. So this is how the dark mode Discord keyboard looks. I honestly really love the color theme. I love that it starts off with like a lighter purple or blue, whatever you want to call it, and then it gets darker and darker as you go out. This keyboard is what you would consider an 87% keyboard, which means that it has a full-size layout without the number pad, which results in 87 or 88 keys, hence why it's called 87%. So you basically had three different options for the switches. There were gateron reds, gateron browns, and kale box white switches. I chose the gateron browns because I just really enjoy tactile switches a lot more. Alright, time to use these novelty keycaps. So I've never used a keycap puller ever in my entire life. So right now you're about to see my attempts in using a keycap puller. I don't know if I was doing it incorrectly. I literally read an article before this to learn how to use a keycap puller, and it would just pop off like that, like not very smoothly at all. Let me know down in the comments if I did it incorrectly. I was just really scared and went really slowly with wiggling the keycap puller. I don't know, I was just really scared to break something, so let me know if I did something wrong. Finally, we are at the last segment of this unboxing video, so here's some typing ASMR. And there you guys have it. That is the Discord keyboard. Let me know what you guys thought about it in the comments below. I personally really like it. I love the switches that I chose, and I love the color scheme. And I just thought that it was a neat beginner keyboard for anyone who's getting into the hobby of mechanical keyboards. So that concludes this unboxing video. Again, if you're interested in checking it out, I will leave the link down below. I did film myself building my PC that I showed a little sneak peek of earlier in this video, so let me know if you guys are interested in seeing that at all. But for now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!